Welcome to the Introduction to Video Marketing for Crypto Brokers. For crypto brokers, video content isn't just about grabbing attention. It's about building brand authority, educating potential traders, and generating quality leads. Step 1. Define your video marketing goals. Start with a clear direction. What do you want to achieve? Your goals might include increasing brand awareness, driving signups on your platform, educating traders on crypto strategies, or promoting your newest features or services. Set your goals early and align your video content accordingly. Step 2. Choose the right video format. Not every video serves the same purpose. Choose what fits your message. Explainer videos introduce your platform. Tutorials walk users through trading steps. Webinars and interviews show thought leadership. Customer testimonials build credibility, and live streams create real-time engagement. Step 3. Plan your video content strategy. Success is built on structure. Outline your topics, like how to earn with PayBitoPro's copy trading, your publishing schedule, weekly or bi-weekly, the platforms, YouTube, LinkedIn, TikTok, and more. And of course, your call to action. Sign up now and start trading. Step 4. Create engaging video content. Here's how. Start with a solid script. Use clear branded visuals, platform demos, animations, and charts. Make sure your audio is crisp with smooth editing. Keep your branding consistent throughout. Step 5. Optimize for SEO and engagement. To boost visibility, use crypto-related keywords in your titles and descriptions. Add captions and compelling thumbnails. Include hooks that spark comments or questions, and always link back to your website or landing page. Step 6. Promote your videos. Don't just post, strategically distribute. Upload to YouTube and share across social media. Embed videos in email newsletters. Engage with communities on forums and Telegram groups. And invest in paid ads to expand your reach. Step 7. Track performance and optimize. Use analytics tools to monitor views and watch time, likes, shares, and comments, click-through rates, and conversion rates from viewer to registered trader. Data helps you refine your strategy and create even better content. In crypto brokerage, credibility and clarity win. With a strong video marketing strategy, you'll build trust, attract traders, and grow your brand. Start creating impactful video content today and let your brokerage stand out in the crypto world.